Here's a really common fault with Elson hot water tanks. So it's all leaking and corroded here. The immersion heaters have corroded there. Very, very common. We'll see the top of the Elson unit. Well, there's loads of little leaks coming from all the various devices here. It's obviously been leaking for a very, very long time because there's lots of corrosion here. But here's a little trick. So here you have the little expansion tank. So if it overheats, the water comes over, expands and lands in this small tank. And then there's a discharge here. So you can see here, actually this water's really hot because it's overheated. And this discharge pipe allows the hot water to drain away safely. But what they've done is they've actually blocked it off. I don't know if you can see, but on the other side of that discharge pipe, it's actually blocked off. So there's nothing there. So that's just blank doing nothing. So the water is actually higher than that. And what would happen over a longer period of time is this level of water will rise and then come over the top and then flood the place. So when these were originally installed, the building inspector should have checked them, but they often don't. And the installers know that. So rather than go to the added cost of time and effort of running that discharge pipe, they just don't bother. And obviously if they get caught, they just will fit it, but they usually get away with it. And here's a really good example of them getting away with it. And this is a multi-million-pound apartment in central London, and that's just how it all works, I'm afraid. Never fit an Elson tank. Wonder why they went bust.